Gosh, I love stepping out of my house knowing that I'm very stylish, but I'm also very comfortable at the same time. And also, I have so much stock at home. Like, I can just choose any outfit to go out and I'm ready to go.
Pa-share naman dyan, Darren.
Daming stock at home.
Yes.
Flex na. Speaking of the latest collection and your stock at home, what's your favorite of them, Darren?
I feel like, because it's also a lot of athletic wear, yung mga medyo crop na mga styles, and also, I'm very into neutrals, so mga black and white. So, ang dami kong stock sa bahay from the newest Pen Shop collection as well.
Kita nga, black and white.
Yes.
Very black and
As
white.
you
I
can
love
see.
it.
Just like our racetrack right now, as you can see. Darren, I'm sure you saw AC a while ago, who
Yes, I
drew
did.
lots for our raffle winners, raffle players. Okay, so now it's time for you to head on over there, Darren.
All right.
As we go on to our second round.